To mine XRP on a laptop, it is essential to understand that XRP is a cryptocurrency that uses a unique consensus algorithm called the Ripple protocol. This protocol does not require mining like other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Instead, it uses a network of validating nodes to verify transactions. First, you need to understand that mining XRP is not possible in the classical sense, as the network does not rely on proof of work like other cryptocurrencies. However, you can participate in the validation process by running a Ripple validator node on your laptop. To set up a Ripple validator node, you will need to download and install the Ripple software on your laptop. You can find the software on the official Ripple website. Once installed, you will need to configure the software to connect to the Ripple network. You will also need to obtain a list of trusted validators to connect to, which can be found on the Ripple website. It is essential to choose trusted validators to ensure the security and integrity of the network. Next, you will need to configure your laptop to run the Ripple validator node continuously. This may require setting up a script to run the software automatically when your laptop starts up. It is also important to note that running a Ripple validator node requires a significant amount of computational power and memory. Your laptop must meet the minimum system requirements to run the software smoothly. In terms of benefits, running a Ripple validator node can provide you with a sense of contributing to the security and integrity of the Ripple network. However, it does not provide a direct financial reward like mining other cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, while you cannot mine XRP in the classical sense, you can participate in the validation process by running a Ripple validator node on your laptop. By following these steps, you can contribute to the security and integrity of the Ripple network and learn more about the unique consensus algorithm used by XRP.